So today I'm going to show you how to take your stamps and put it in Photoshop with an image that you're going to adjust through Filter Gallery. So you're going to create a new, and I'm going to go to the T for text and choose the color black, and I'm going to type in Kobe Bryant. You can type in whatever word or words or phrases you want. You could even copy and paste lyrics to a song. It doesn't really matter, but you want to be on the T for text and you want to be able to type the words that you want. So the next step is to go to your tools. Your tools should be open. If it's not, go to Window and check Tools. And in the tools, I'm going to go to the second tool, which is the marquee tool. It's the square. And I'm going to put the square around my words. Then go to Edit, Define, Brush, Preset. I'm going to name it Kobe. Okay, that's it. Click back on the marquee tool to shut it off. Hit the Delete key on your keyboard and you'll have a blank canvas. So now I'm going to choose the color I want. I'm going to do purple, and I'm going to click on Paintbrush, and up on the top, make sure you're on the last brush, the one you just named. It should be there automatically. And then you can click, and every time you click your mouse, it will stamp. You can change the size, like I just did, using the bar on the top. You can change the color as much as you like, and you just want to fill that canvas up. I'm going to speed it up as I change size and color and fill up my canvas. Now I'm going to go to Google Images and look for a picture of my person. So I'm going to open up Google. I'm going to go to Google. I'm going to type in Kobe Bryant, and then I'm going to click on Images. Okay, and here are my Kobe images. Find the one you want. Make sure you click on it first so it's nice and large. So I'm going to click, now it's large. And then I'm going to drag and drop it to the desktop. Okay? Go back to Photoshop, and you need to drag the image on. Now, you notice I get an error message. That's because my image is a WebP. It ends with the words WebP. Photoshop hates WebPs. It spits them out. So if your image on the desktop is called WebP like mine was, all you have to do is double click on it to open it, and then take a screenshot, Shift Command 4. Wait a couple seconds for it to sit on your desktop, and then you're going to drag the screenshot, not the WebP, because that won't work. Drag the screenshot on top of your canvas. Make sure you hit return to get rid of that X. Now you're ready for the next step. Click on the magic wand. It's the fourth one down, and then click on the picture. Notice the little marching ants outline Kobe. That is what you want because you're going to now erase the background. So I'm going to click on the eraser, and I'm going to erase. Now, the little marching ants are there for a reason. They will keep me from erasing Kobe. Okay, I won't be removing part of his head or his arms or whatever. So feel free to erase. Use that magic wand to click in different areas, and when you're done with the magic wand, you do need to shut it off. And the way you shut it off is you click on it and click, click, click outside of the canvas, and it'll shut off. Okay, so now that I erase everything, and by the way, once you erase, you should be able to hit the delete key on your keyboard and it will delete everything. So there I go, and you can see that the words are underneath and they shine through. Now I still have all these dots, so I need to go back to the magic wand, click outside to shut it off, and then I'll finish the rest with my eraser. Okay, now we are ready for the final step, and that is to use the filter gallery to alter Kobe's image to make it kind of an artistic effect. So the way we're going to do that, we're going to go up to filter and the second filter gallery. And there you're going to have 6 folders. You can open those folders, you can open all of them, and click on the different effects. Now, the reason Coby's orange is because in my tools, the upper left square is orange. If I change it to purple, and then I do filter, second filter gallery, it'll be purple. So that's how you change the color. You could also do just black and white. So you adjust it the way you want it, and then once you're happy, you hit OK, and there you go, and it's done. Now, to save it, the easiest way to save is to take a screenshot. Shift-Command-4, let go. It'll now be on your desktop, and then you can throw it into your CMA folder, which is in your Google Drive. You can also close this, save it to the computer, name it, save it to the desktop, put it on your desktop folder as well. Okay, that will help you find the original. So here's my Google Drive. If you don't have a folder, you just need to go to your drive and you need to click on New, upper left corner. You see the New button, and Folder, and I'm going to call it CMA or my CMA, whatever, CMA Kullback, doesn't really matter. Once you create the folder, you need to click, click, click inside of it. You need to share it with me. My email is M as in Mary, Kullbak, Marcy Kullback, and send. And then you can find your screenshot and put it in there. That's it.